Hey, what's going on, home improvement bitches? Lowest of the most. I have a day off, so guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna work on this dumb house. So my appraiser had finished her inspection and appraisal, so I would like to try and address this hot mess. So what seemed like eternity ago, I actually got in here, painted it, and then left it as it was. So for the time being, and for however many months that's been, I actually haven't had any closet space. I've been living out of bins. So let me see what I can do to address it. First things first, I can't see what the hell I'm doing. I have no light. But I do have the wiring for it, so let's get to work. Okay, so far I'm on track with my regular project. Minimum 2 visits to Home Depot. One of these days I am going to actually get everything that I need, and I'm going to get it correct. Anyway, I'll show you what I mean. So that's a 4-inch diameter case, and I thought it was nothing but a big damn hole there. So had to go back and go get a flush mount. I think it'll work out just fine. And since I was there anyway, I bought another one so I can update the office. Alright, y'all, moment of truth. Boom! And Lo said, "Let there be light."